वो खून कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें उबाल का नाम नहीं, वो खून कहो किस मतलब का आज सके देश के काम नहीं, वो खून कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें जीवन न रवानी है, जो परवश होकर बहता है वो खून नहीं है पानी है, वो खून नहीं है पानी है। A very heartfelt and patriotic morning to each one of you present over here. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal Sir, other dignitaries and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy 79th Independence Day. Today we gather here not just to hoist our national flag, but to honor a story written in ink of struggle, sacrifice and blood. A story that began 200 years ago with the slow rise of British power in India and ended on 15 August 1947 with the world's largest democracy. It all started in 1600 when the British East India Company came to India, but slowly using tactics of divide and rule, manipulation and military power, they began to do control over India. But even in the darkest time, India never forgot how to fight back. In 1857, the first war of independence broke and we shook the British. Rani Lakshmi Bai fought bravely and she died, becoming a symbol of resistance for us. As we say, तुम तेरे हर बोलों की जुबानी हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब रही मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी, झांसी वाली रानी थी। Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev and many others lit the fire across the nation and walked to the gallows with a smile on their faces. Parallelly, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose built the Indian National Army and he roared, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. And then came the man who changed the entire direction of this revolution, Mahatma Gandhi. He introduced us to the path of non-violence and truth. And soon the British realized that the unity in India was stronger than their rule. And after immense pressure, losses and sacrifices from every part of India, they finally agreed to leave. And on the midnight of 14th August, when India was stepping into freedom, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru said, at the stroke of midnight, when the world sleeps, India will awake to freedom and life. And thus, the Union Jack was lowered and the tricolor of free India was hoisted high in the sky. And it was indeed a moment of unmatched pride and emotion. क्योंकि कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है, हम लहराएंगे ये तिरंगा हर जगह, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है. Today, we might not be fighting colonial rule, but we are battling against corruption, communalism, poverty, pollution, and many such issues. Today, we need to ask ourselves, what are we doing to honor the sacrifices of our heroes? So friends, let's unite together and be responsible citizens. Let's preserve our unity in diversity, promote equality, and let's stand on this Independence Day and pledge to build a stronger, more powerful and developed India. The India of our dreams and their dreams. क्योंकि जो देश के लिए मिटते हैं वो कभी मिटाए नहीं जाते, जो देश के लिए मिटते हैं वो कभी मिटाए नहीं जाते. ये वो चिराग है जो आंधियों में भी बुझाए नहीं जाते, आंधियों में भी बुझाए नहीं जाते. थैंक यू. सादा खान साइनिंग ऑफ. जय हिंद, जय भारत.